Morning YouTubers, this is part 2 of the roof vent bodge, and the part 1 I showed you I cut this piece of plastic out, purchased a vent, 9" by 9" vent, and then I reinforced it on the back with wood. Now I'll just show you if I can. It's quite light today so it might not come out very well. This is where it's going to go, and originally, you might not be able to see in this light, it had two plastic hinges there, and there'd be a cover on here, and it would have a blind to cut the light out, and it would have an insect guard. But it's been broken at some point in its life, and this has got a crack in it, just there. You can't see it in this light. It's got a crack in it, and the actual cover is completely missing. It was missing when we had it, and it's probably missing for some time, but the idea is you would unclip it, it would hinge down, and then you open the vent and then you clip it back up, and that will give you an insect guard. So what I've done, I've made this cover, and I'll just clip it in place and I'll show you what it looks like. And just to hold it for the time being, I've got these twist things. I don't know if you can see it, these twist things. I put 4 of them up, but I think eventually I'm going to put some hinges in here. I've brought some with me so it does hinge down as the original one did, but I'll just put the cover on and you can see what it's like. Now that's the cover fitted. And as I say, I don't know if you could see it, you might be able to see it in this video. These are these twist catches, or whatever they call it. They're like a piece of metal with a piece of brass with a screw in the middle, and you just twist them. And okay, and that's it gone in place. And you can see it fits quite well. I slide it along to where it should be. And I can actually, if I could do it single-handed, I can close it off. So it reduces the light. Sun's up at the moment. Let's see if I go and do it the other way. That's probably a better view. So it shuts it off, and then to open it for ventilation, I slide it across, and there's this well, it's a mesh. It'll stop mosquitoes, but it wouldn't stop midges. And as I say, it looks pretty good inside the van, and it's such a simple idea, and it works. So thanks for watching. I hope this comes out okay on the video, because the lighting in here is quite difficult at the moment. But I'll see if I can take some still photos of it fitted.